In crypto arbitrage trading, the number of trades are unlimited. Maybe I should remind you what is crypto arbitrage trading. It is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So someone asked, how many trades can you make in a day? I want to answer that question. And also before that, remember we have a challenge from 100 USDTs to 1,000 in 4 days. We are at day 3. In 2 days, we've managed to get to 512. So make sure you click the link in my bio and you join Telegram so that you can get free classes. Best capital to start with is 200 trading. Arbitrage is the future. So also, if you comment crypto arbitrage trading or you ask any question, I'll do a video for you and you might be lucky to get free funding. So there are two types of arbitrage trading. That is this one, buying low and selling high. Manual trading, you can see the rates. If you buy 100 USDTs in Binance, you sell them here, you can get double of your capital. That is 201. And if you trade with 200, you can make 400. So the higher the capital, the more the profits, and the more the chances of making more profits. So that is one. This one is unlimited. You can make unlimited trades. So you only need, after 2 trades, you withdraw to your external wallet, which is very easy, takes 2 to 15 minutes. Then you fund back the same capital, or you can add more. About arbitrage bots, also it is limited to 2 trades before withdrawal. You can see I've made 1, remaining 1. But once I withdraw the money to my external wallet, I unlock that feature again. So that's why I'm saying the number of trades in a day are unlimited. And if you don't want to withdraw, you can make 2 in manual trading. That is P2P arbitrage. Here you sell them here, 2 trades. Then you make another 2 trades in your arbitrage bots. And I don't see any need of you not to withdraw, because you can withdraw anytime your funds from Tranquilly to your external exchange. So that's how arbitrage trading works, and I have answered that question. I can show you my withdrawals in my transaction history, or I can show you in withdrawals history. You can see 52, so many. You can go slowly and check the dates. We've been doing so many challenges of withdrawal, so no one should miss this. Sometimes we go to big amounts, like now I can make a withdrawal of even 10,000 unlimited. So anytime you trade, make sure you withdraw so that you can unlock more features of trading, arbitrage trading. If you have any other question, make sure you ask and I will answer.